In this video, I'm going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor, content and local supplier research. Let's play the video. As you can see, this is a gauge that you can use to measure thickness inside or outside. And if you are a woodworker, then this can be a very handy product for you. So you get the idea. Let's do some competitor research. Go to find sellers. What it's going to do is it's going to use these images and try to find someone who is already selling this product. Go to the Shopify tab. We have a few results here, but all of these results are from Lazada, which is not exactly Shopify. So we can say that so far this product has no competition. Okay, now let's try to find some content for this product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title of this product and go back to Super Elite dashboard. Then paste the title here, select videos only. In the advanced filter, select all time as the import date and hit search. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, quite a few listings with videos in it. Now this could be the same video or there could be some different content for this product. You would have to open each one and check that out. Now you can see all these listings also have shipping from different suppliers, different countries. Okay, let me show you how you can do it with Super Early. Get rid of the videos only part, and in the shipping zone just go to United States and hit search. Now you will only get those listings which are from United States as well. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and too many. Great. So if you are someone who is looking for a product which is being shipped from local suppliers, then this could be something good. And if you understand the market well, then definitely give this product a try. Let me know how it works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.